In this video, you'll learn how to filter leads in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly focus on the most important leads without getting lost in unnecessary menus. Start by opening your Pipedrive workspace and navigating to the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Leads section. This will take you to your Leads inbox, which is where all incoming prospects are stored before they are converted into deals. If you don't see the Leads section, make sure you're in the correct workspace view and that your account permissions allow access. Once the Leads inbox loads, you'll see a list of leads along with key details such as labels, owners, and recent activity. Next, look at the top right corner of the Leads inbox. Click on the Filter button, usually represented by a funnel icon. This will open the filtering panel, where you can refine the list of leads based on specific criteria. Filters allow you to narrow down a large list so you can work more efficiently. For example, you might want to view leads added this week or only those assigned to you. Inside the filter panel, you can select different criteria such as lead owner, label, source, status, and date added. Choose the fields that are most relevant to your workflow. If you're managing a team, filtering by owner allows you to review each team member's leads. If you're focusing on outreach, you can filter by status or last activity to identify leads that haven't been contacted recently. If your account includes custom fields, those may also be available as filter options, giving you even more flexibility. You can combine multiple conditions to create highly specific views. For example, leads labeled high priority that were added within the last 30 days. As you adjust your filters, the list will update automatically or after applying the filter, depending on your interface. If the results feel too broad or too narrow, you can refine your conditions until the list matches your needs. To return to the full list, simply clear or reset the filters. That's all there is to it. To summarize, go to Leads, open the filter panel from the top right corner, and apply the criteria that help you focus on the most relevant prospects. By using filters consistently, you'll save time, stay organized, and keep your pipeline clear and actionable.